a guy on the news this morning drive a nail with a banana. Polar Vortex 2019. Hey, this is Justin, 3 Rivers Dent Repair, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, coming at you with another paintless dent repair video. We cut the video yesterday at a body shop. It was super loud inside, so we dropped the audio on it. We threw in some music on top of it, so chill out, check it out, enjoy. I somehow managed to delete the initial glue pulling when we started this dent, but you can see there's ridges in the front and in the middle where we started the glue pull process.
So what you're seeing here is a knockdown sequence. Part of the dent repair process is lifting the dent with either a glue tab, which you'll see here in a moment, or pushing from the backside. Oftentimes it moves the metal in places that we don't want it to go, so we need to knock it down using precision knockdown techniques as you see here in this video.